Okay, and then let's go on the fixed text. For each product, calculate the frequency Ni. Here, Ni equals uh, N per Mi and the total cost of the order policy. Calculate the total cost. The total cost can be calculated by adding the NS, yeah, NS plus NI times SI from I equals to 1 until L plus DI per 2 times NI multiplied by little h times CI for I from 1 until L. Okay, and then let's go on our example. The manager of AB41 Electronic intends to order the product jointly but selectively in delivery. So we will join the transportation for all three brands, but in the delivery, we will select the most favorable. Yeah. Formulate the order policy. Okay. Here we find that S equals to 4,000, SI 1,000, S2 1,000, and S3 1,000. Go on the step one. Identify the products that are ordered most often. Assume each product is ordered independently, so we can use the formula of NI bar. Yeah, here, applying the NI bar, we find, yeah, okay, let's do the selective here. There, okay. We calculate NI bar first, yeah. Here, square root of little h times CI times DI divided by 2 times S plus SI. Okay, for each brand, square root HI times CI times DI, yeah, then divided by 2 times S plus SI. 2 times S plus SI. Okay, this is N bar for light blue. Yeah, we will order 10.95 times for light blue. And then using the same way, we find that order frequency for Mac Pro will be 3.46 times, and for Heavy Pro is 1.10 times. Yeah, so here with three frequency of order frequency for three brands, we find that the most order is Light Pro. So we will consolidate all the order to order of Light Pro. Okay, this is the first step. Go on, second step. Yeah, identify other products whose order will be included with Light Pro. Here we will include order for Matte Pro and Heavy Pro. And then we calculate the N double bar. Okay, N double bar here for Matte Pro. Square root of little h times Ci times Di divided by 2 times Si. Okay, yeah, here. Little h, yeah, little h, 20% times the unit cost of the Mac Pro times uh, demand for Mac Pro, and then divided by 2 times SM. Little s here represent the loading cost. Yeah, so the result is 7.7. Okay, and then for HiFi Pro, we find using the same way here, square root of 20% of unit price, unit cost, times demand for HiFi Pro here, divided by 2 times S, little s for HiFi Pro. Here is 1000. Yeah, and then here we find that the double bar and double bar for HiFi Pro is 2.45 times. Yeah, okay. Okay, go on the third steps. In the third step, we will find in which order the Mac Pro and HiFi Pro must be consolidated or included. Okay, here we find it by dividing the order frequency per year of Light Pro by order frequency of other brands. Here, for Mac Pro, we will consolidate the order um, 2 times. Yeah, 2 times. Here, M for Mac Pro is 11 divided by 7.75. Yeah, so we will consolidate the order of Mac Pro in 2 times. Yeah, it means that the consolidation of order of Mac Pro uh, will be in the second order of Light Pro, fourth order of Light Pro, sixth order of Light Pro, yeah, until the last order of Light Pro or 10 order of Light Pro, yeah. So every two order, yeah, between order one, uh, the second order, yeah, the second order, we will include the order for Mac Pro, yeah. So in the here we know that we will order Light Pro 11 times, yeah. And then in the second order, we will order also Mac Pro, yeah. Mac Pro. And then in the fourth order, we also include the Mac Pro, the order of Mac Pro. And then the sixth order, yeah, sixth order of Light Pro, we will consolidate the order of Mac Pro until 8 times. Yeah, this is for Mac Pro. And for HiFi Pro, the order frequency for HiFi Pro is 2.45 or 3 times. Yeah. In which order we will consolidate the order of HiFi Pro? Yeah. In every fifth, in every five order of Light Pro, we will consolidate or include order for HiFi Pro. So the fifth order of Light Pro, we will include order for HiFi Pro. Yeah. Okay. The fifth order and the 10th order and the last order of Light Pro, we include the order for HiFi Pro. This is the calculation of order to be consolidated for Mac Pro and HiFi Pro to be consolidated in the order of Light Pro. Yeah. And okay, go on next step. Recalculate the frequency of product order ISA to N, where N here, yeah, square root of little h times Ci times Mi times Di divided by Si divided by Mi times 2, yeah, divided by 2 times S plus Si divided by Mi from I for 1 until L. Yeah, we find that the order consolidation will be 11.84. Yeah. Okay, and then the order frequency for Med Pro and HiFi Pro, that is not the uh, order consolidation. Yeah, we will include the order for Med Pro and HiFi Pro in the order of Light Pro. Yeah, the sixth order of Light Pro or Med Pro, and the third order for Light Pro for HiFi Pro. Yeah, we will include the order of Med Pro here. Yeah, in the sixth order of Light Pro, and order for HiFi Pro in the third order of Light Pro. Yeah. So the next, yeah, here the Light Pro will be ordered 11.84 times per year, while Med Pro and HiFi Pro will be ordered as many times as 6 times, and for HiFi Pro 3 times. Yeah. Okay. Until we find the order frequency for each brand, we can calculate the order size. Yeah, here the order size for Light Pro. Yeah, the order size is the number of demand a year divided by order frequency. Yeah, here, this is for Light Pro. So for Light Pro, we will order as much as of uh, demand per year, that is 12,000 divided by order frequency, 11.84. Yeah, we find the Q, yeah, optimal Q here for Light Pro is 1014 unit. While for Metro, using the same way, we divide the demand per year for Metro by order frequency for Metro. Yeah, we find that the order quantity for Metro will be 203 units, and for Heavy Pro, 51 units. Okay, and then we find noun Q, so we can calculate cycle inventory. Here, cycle inventory is Q divided by 2, yeah, and we can calculate the holding cost. Holding cost for each brand will be little h, yeah, little h multiplied by uh, cycle order. Yeah, here. I'm sorry, cycle inventory. Yeah, here cycle inventory times little h. Yeah, percentage of holding cost times unit cost, and we find annual holding cost for Light Pro 50,675, and for Mac Pro, the annual holding cost will be 10,200 rupiahs, and for Heavy Pro will be 2,600 rupiahs, and total annual holding cost for three brands will be 63,475 rupiahs. Okay, average full time for each brand will be like this. Okay, and then the last we calculate annual order cost. Yeah, annual order cost will be the order frequency for three brands that is consolidated in the order of Light Pro. Yeah, here P12. Yeah, consolidated order frequency for Light Pro, that will be a consolidation of three brands, order for three brands. Yeah, yeah, multiplied by uh, S, capital S, added by small s for every brand. Yeah, capital S is the consolidation, the transportation consolidating in the order of Light Pro here. Well, for thousands rupiahs. Yeah, added by the loading unloading cost for each order. Yeah, okay, and we find that the ordering cost, annual order cost will be 67,488 rupiahs, and total inventory cost will be the sum of annual holding cost and annual order cost. We find that total inventory cost, inventory cost will be 130,000 and 960 64 rupiahs. Okay, so here we can conclude that which one is the best. Yeah. Okay. Compare to the two other scenarios. Yeah. For uh, the first scenarios, we don't aggregate. The annual inventory cost will be 155,000 and 140 rupiahs, while the order with aggregation, yeah, simple aggregation, the annual inventory cost will be 136,558 rupiahs. And the last scenario, we find that the total inventory cost will be 130,000 and 964 rupiahs. So here, the last scenario, yeah, aggregation with selection is the most efficient. Yeah, using this calculation, finally we will choose this model. Yeah, aggregation with selective. Yeah, we select Light Pro to be the order consolidation. Yeah, we will console order for Mac Pro and Hivi Pro to order for Light Pro. Yeah, okay. This is the conclusion of our uh, model. Yeah, we can compare here. This is for selective. Yeah, okay. Okay, I think this is all the discussion of our cycle inventory. Yeah, please learn the uh, discussion and I will share the Excel file for you to practice. Yeah, please make exercise and learn the formula that content in the Excel. Thank you. Bye bye.